Hey everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Tools and Gear. Today we're going to be showing everyone how they can build their own toolkit and have better tools for the same price, if not a little bit cheaper, than the pre-built kits you usually find from the manufacturers. For our example, we're going to be on the Home Depot Canada website, and we're going to be building out a Milwaukee kit. Recently, we've been asked by quite a few people, what tools should I buy for my home and DIY projects? So today we're going to show you not only what tools we recommend, but the current deals that are out there right now. Now, Black Friday is coming up, and there may be some better deals, but this is the deals as of today. And we think there are some pretty good deals to be had, and if Black Friday comes around and there are better deals, I mean, it's even better for everyone. So let's take an example of Milwaukee here, and we're on the Home Depot website. We filter for Milwaukee, and if we go over, we've kind of filtered out all of the toolkits here. So typically with a toolkit, you're getting 4 to 6 tools, and the thing with these kits, specifically in Canada, it's a little bit different in the States. The kits here have the older style tools. So you're getting brush tools for one, and for the most part, you're getting one or two tools that you not necessarily need for home and DIY. For an example here, if we go down, we're going to use this kit as our example. There's 2 kits here for $5.29. One only gives you 4 tools. We're not going to look at that. I don't think that's a great deal. For $5.29, the same price, you're getting 6 tools, and that to me is a little bit better. So let's look a little bit deeper into this one just to see what we're comparing. We've got a circ saw, a light, the recip saw, a grinder, and then your drill and impact driver. And it comes with 2 3-amp hour batteries and the charger. Now, just from looking at this, I can tell you the drills are the old set of drills. These are all brushed tools. From a home project perspective, brush tools aren't necessarily bad. They're not the They're the older technology. Just quickly, we'll kind of go over. That's a big question we get a lot. What's the difference between brush and brushless? Now, we'll have a new video out on more details of this, but we'll go over the highlights on this Consumer Reports article. So the brushless tools are more energy efficient. They're more responsive, meaning they have more power. Again, packing more power, torque, speed. They're easier to maintain, they're usually smaller and lighter, and they're longer lasting. So you can see right there, there's some benefit to getting a brushless set of tools. So if we go back to our kit here for $5.29, you don't necessarily, I would say, need the flashlight and or the grinder for home projects. So what I would recommend is let's build out a kit, and instead of the grinder, let's look for an oscillator or a multi-tool. Those tools are a lot more, you can do a lot more with them. They're a lot more beneficial, and I think a homeowner would see a lot more use than an angle grinder. An angle grinder is typically meant for cutting rebar, potentially things like sharpening your lawnmower blade, stuff that you're not going to necessarily use all the time. So Milwaukee does have a couple of offers out right now. So you can see here with the drill kit, this is the older style. This is the same thing that you're getting in the big kit, and it's got a free battery. So, and it's $2.99. But if you look over here, here are the brushless impact driver and drill for the exact same price. So even if there wasn't any sales on right now, I would go with the brushless because it's the same price and you're getting better tools. Now, this one has two 2 amp-hour batteries. So you're getting a little less battery, but for the sake of home projects, you're not going to notice a huge difference between a 3 amp and a 2 amp-hour battery. But the big thing here is you get a free bare tool instead of a free battery. So if we look at the offers on what tools you can potentially get, you have the oscillator, the angle grinder, a circ saw, a sander, the recip sawzall, and a couple of impact guns. So you've got a good selection here. These are, again, the older brush tools, the same as what you're getting in the kit, but they will work fine for home projects. So what I've done is I've actually started building out a kit in the cart. But for right now, we've got, if we add that, we've got our drill driver, and we can pick one of these free tools. So we still need another couple tools. So Milwaukee does have another promotion on right now, and you have to search for it a little bit. So some of these tool deals you have to search for, but if you actually search for the battery kits, a lot of these big brands have deals with their battery kits at the same time. So you can see here, you get a 5 amp-hour battery kit and a charger for $199, and you get another free tool. So that solves a couple of problems. Is we get another free tool, and we're getting a bigger battery and another charger. So the other thing that this kit is kind of lacking is you get the two 3 amp-hour batteries for the drills, but you don't really have a battery for the saw or the grinder or even the recip saw. You can use the 3 amp-hour, but you really should have a more powerful battery, a more bigger battery for these more intense tools. So this solves that issue. So if we add that to our cart, we get another one of these tools. So we're getting 2 free tools in addition to our drill drivers. So all we have to do at this point to make our kit comparable is just buy one of these other tools that's actually on sale right now. So I'll show you the cart as our example here. We have the brushless hammer drill and impact driver kit. We have the battery kit and our 2 free tools. So the Home Depot website has done something a little bit funny here, and I'll point that out in a second. But we get the free recip, and we got the free oscillator, and then we just pay the $129 for the tool. Now, if this was in the store, what I would do is make sure that they have the circular saw as the free tool, and then you buy the oscillator tool, because you could see that's $129 and the oscillator is $99. So you're saving an additional $30 from the price here. So the price should actually be $597, not $629. So if we compare that to our kit, it's actually around $70 cheaper. But here's the thing. You're getting better drills, you're getting the brushless drills, and you're getting another charger and a 5 amp-hour battery. And you're also switching out the angle grinder for, in my opinion, a better tool, the oscillator. So the $70 is really a good deal, especially for the extra battery. The battery alone is worth more than that. So if you look at that, we've built a better kit for it looks like a little bit more money, but it actually isn't. It's saving you money. You get better tools, and it's you get another tool that you necessarily need or want in the oscillator, and you get rid of the grinder. If you want to kind of add on to that, that's fine. But these tools here, the drills, the recip, the circ saw, and the oscillator, give any home DIYer a great base to start with for power tools. And it gives you options to add on when they have future sales, and it gets you into the Milwaukee platform for a decent price. And Milwaukee tools are on the professional grade level, so you're getting a professional grade tool for your home. So that's what is on right now. Black Friday may come, or Cyber Monday may come around, and there may be better deals at the same time. Maybe they'll have one of those kits on sale. Maybe this will come down by $100. If it comes down, by $100 or $150, maybe it's worthwhile looking at this kit and then just buying an oscillator after that. Or if you not necessarily think you're going to need the oscillator, it's still a great deal. Even though they're a brushed tool, I think they're still a great investment for the home buyer. Anyways, that's our Milwaukee Buildout, and stay tuned. We're going to do a couple more of these for different brands, and see if we can get deals for a little bit cheaper. So if your budget is not in this, $500 to $600 range, and you want to be looking at something a little bit cheaper, we'll have a future video coming out with Ryobi and or Ridgit, and maybe looking at some other websites that have different brands as well. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.